So today I'm at 2205 Queenston Court in the beautiful Princeton Place subdivision here in Southwest Decatur. So I'm going to take you on just a brief tour to see what this home looks like on the inside. But here's a view of the neighborhood. Just very nice, real nice neighborhood. This is 2205 Queenston Court in Princeton Place subdivision right here in Southwest Decatur. Let's take a look on the inside. This home can easily be a 5-bedroom. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, or 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and a bonus or 5 bedrooms if you choose to make it the upstairs a bedroom if you need it. Here's a powder room, half bath downstairs. Super nice. Hardwood flooring, tile, nice size laundry with a great storage area. That leads to the garage. They are using this currently as the kids' playroom, but nice office area or another bedroom or even a dining room up front. I love the archways of this beautiful home. Upstairs goes up to the bonus area. Great space up there. Split floor plan to the master. And it's open in this area. Great view from here. Love the kitchen. Eating area there. This goes out to the backyard. Great area. Very nice. Check out the arched doorways. This is a full bath. One of the bedrooms. Another bedroom. Just very nice. Isolated master area. With storage. Nice size bath. Does have twin walk-in closets, double vanity, tile shower. Nice. Quick run upstairs. This area is great. Great space. Has its own unit for heating and air. Plenty of space for office and family room, workout room, whatever you want to turn it into, it's here. So call me about this home. I'm Sean with Marmac Real Estate, 256-853-0047. Let me know if I can answer any questions about this beautiful home. Thank you for watching my video.